Today's project. So I got the front end here off the old ZZ1200 sport bike, and he sent me the whole frame, wheel assemblies, everything. So all I have to do is build the adapter frame, put this onto the bike, redo the steering and the plumbing for the brakes, and she's a done deal. That's all I'm going to do. He's going to do the rest. So here's the bike he bought, where it's going on. Nice machine, very nice machine. It's a Suzuki Boulevard. These things run great. Got a shaft drive. I don't know how big a unit this is. I'm thinking it's a 1500. I don't know for sure. But anyway, it's really a smoothie. She's a great machine. I didn't drive it too far, a couple blocks, just to get it in the shop here, but I could tell right away that this is a real awesome machine. One thing, as you notice, speedometer drive is off the front wheel. So I'm going to take this cable out of here, and he's going to have to put a GPS speedometer on it, which is no big deal. You can get some nice little square ones that just Velcro right on. Probably the best place to attach it is right on the handlebars. So I'm going to find him one, and if I have to build a little bracket, I'll do that for him. And we'll get that done. So I already started. I got this bottom mount. It's going to attach here, 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 and here on each side. So basically, as all my bikes do, it actually just extends the frame out to here, and then I'll put the rest of the unit onto that. So get this much done, get her in the powder coat oven, get her back on there, somehow meander that thing over here, and get it fastened, and then she's a cruiser. So, well, this project's finished. I got this one done today, took it for a test drive. It went actually very good. As I said before, this whole front section was on his other bike, and the motor blew up on that one, so we bought this Suzuki Boulevard. This is an 800cc bike. This is the smallest conversion I've ever done. But I'm surprised how much power this thing has. It handles it just fine. So everything went really good. Took about a day to get this all done. This is what I had to build, is that frame right there. And the rest of it stuck on there. I had to redo the steering and all that, and the brakes. But it worked out really good. Thing goes down the road really, really nice. I think he's really going to enjoy this machine because it's very smooth. These Boulevards really are nice machines. So that one's done. I'm going to set up the shipping. That one's going out. That's the last customer bike until October. And then I got a couple lined up for October already, so we'll be back at it then. In the meantime, I got this little project, this little generator that I bought for 20 bucks. He said it needed a gas tank, and he thought the motor was shot. Well, the gas tank needed an O-ring, and the motor's fine. I had to adjust the exhaust valve because it does have a compression release, but it was actually over-releasing. So I fixed that, started right up, ran great, but the carburetor is kind of screwy, so I'm going to get a different carb for it. And then I'm going to clean that up, and I got a spot to use that. I'm going to put new wheels on it, and for 20 bucks, yeah, it's a 5,000 watt. That'll be nice. So now I got my own project. I got my Excelsior Henderson. I'm going to get that ready for sale. And I got my Valkyrie. I'm going to get ready for sale. So those are my projects for the summer besides, so we'll see how that goes.